Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Master Odor Removal. We're here in Roswell working on a 2021 Corvette. It was a trade-in, and the prior owner was actually a smoker, so we've got a bit of a smoke smell in here. I think the windows were down most of the time, so it's not too bad, but it's enough that you can notice it. But we're going to be working on this today, and we're going to be treating the headliner, carpet, seats, mats, and the air conditioning system, and this thing should be back out on the lot ready to go. We're going to neutralize that smell, and you'll never know anyone ever smoked in here. But give us a call. Happy to help you out. Work on smoke odor issues, pet smells, food smells, and even the mystery smells. But happy to answer any questions and kind of walk you through our process. 470-869-3330. Give us a call, and we can chat. Y'all have a great day.